Back. I filmed a video and I'll probably film some more. And this is my baby, Chloe. Stop it. Please stop it. Go drink your water. You have your water bottle over there. You have your toys over there. You shouldn't be playing with the makeup. Welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a makeup video. I'm going to be in San Antonio this weekend to go to the Romeo concert. I'm so excited because I love Romeo Santos and I'm practicing my makeup looks and this is one option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So I have already moisturized my skin. I applied my primer and now I'm just going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. That's what I'm applying right here. By the way, this is not what I actually wore to the concert. I was trying out makeup looks and I will probably film what I actually did for the concert. This is the only concealer I found and it's the NYX HD concealer. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. Just going to do this. Just blend out my concealer. Oh my god. I just did my eyebrows and I'm going to set my face with some setting powder and my under eyes with a banana powder. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Airspun translucent powder. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let my under eyes bake with the banana powder for a bit, and now I'm gonna go in with my Hidden Treasure palette from Dose of Colors, and let's see, what can we do? I'm trying to do something like brown, golden, obviously. I'm going to apply this shade Map to my crease and that's going to be my transition color. I'm just going to... By the way, I'm going to be applying the shade Locket to my crease too. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be applying the shade Key to my outer V. You guys, so now I'm going to be applying the shade Coin to my lid and... Now I'm going to be applying the shade Pearl to my brow bone and my inner corner. So I'm going to apply the shade Locket to my lower lash line and I think a little bit of Key. Guys, you know that the NYC liquid liner, they don't sell it in the US anymore. And that was my favorite eyeliner and I'm using a Wet n Wild one, but I hate it. I can't, like, it's a felt... Chloe took a bite of it. Like I was saying, they stopped making the NYC, well, they stopped selling the NYC liquid liner in the US. And I don't like this one. It's like the applicator, the brush, it's thick and it's a felt tip liner, so it doesn't move and it's just like right there. It's super thick, so I can't work with it. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna... I already ruined it. So this look already looks like shit. The makeup looks like shit, so
we'll just run it with the eyeliner. I need to find a good eyeliner that has like a really good applicator, because this one is so annoying. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna let it dry. And what was I gonna do? I was gonna contour. It's my contour, the Anastasia. And it's so, I have mine like super beaten up, and I'm just gonna contour. I don't even remember the shades anymore, and I can't take it out. Like I can, but I can't with my nails. So I'm just gonna use all of the bronzing shades real quick and contour my face. It's the light palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here, like an orangey shade, terracotta, whatever. Oh, these are very pigmented, I forgot. I think I'll just use this highlighting palette, and I'm going to use the shade Dripping in Gold. So I'm quickly going to line my lips with the Rimmel London lip liner in Spice, and then I'm going to be applying my Jordana lipstick in the shade Matte Bear. So I'm quickly going to apply my lipstick, and then this look is going to be completed. And I quickly want to thank you all for asking for more videos. I would never thought that people actually watch my videos and wanted to see more of me, but here I am. I do have a job and I am a student as well, so it's hard for me to find time to do that, to film myself, but I'm trying. So thank you all, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.
Y desde que te di esa bota, las gatas son de 3 en 3. Dice que le hace falta y tú